Hello, how to boost egg production naturally with fermented banana and plantain stem. Nutritional benefits and feeding guide for broilers and laying birds. You can as well use fermented banana and plantain stem not only for laying birds, for your broilers and for your noilers, corollers and any other poultry bird. If you're a poultry farmer, this fermented banana and plantain stem can go a long way in helping you to drop the feed cost and maximize feed conversion ratio and increase your profit as a poultry farmer. The aim and motive of every poultry farmer is to maximize profit while keeping their birds healthy. So if you're using banana and plantain stem fermented, you are going to get the best. Less expenses on medications, because once you're using fermented banana and plantain stem has microbes that keeps your poultry and livestock birds always healthy, and it boosts their immunity and at the same time enhance their profit and profitability. So in this particular video, if you like it, please give it a thumb up, share this video to reach more farmers, share the link to other poultry farmers, some of the platforms you belong to, your friends who are also poultry farmers, so that they know the best way to use this particular product to drop their cost of feeding poultry. The cost of feeding poultry and livestock animals is increasing on daily basis from 70% now to 80% expenses on feeding, maintaining the health of your poultry birds. So if you can curtail the expenses on feed alone, you are making a very good profit, and that's the only way you can survive in this feathered business. So I would advise you to watch to the end. Let's get there. In this video, I will give you all the nutritional values of banana and plantain stems that will help you to enhance your egg production and growth of other poultry birds. Both the minerals, vitamins, and protein content of fermented banana and plantain stems. And at the same time, I will also guide you on how to prepare it for your poultry and livestock birds, how you are going to ferment it. I know that I have received too many questions on the comment section since I released the first video on fermented banana and plantain stems. I'm going to guide you step by step so that you know how to do it, what are you going to add, the way you're going to use it, and how you're going to feed your poultry birds to get the maximum result. So this video is not something you can just skip, watch and skip. No, you have to watch it thoroughly so that you ask less question on the comment section. But at the end of everything, you still have any question to ask, please drop your question on the comment section. I will gladly answer you and guide you more. But watch the video to the end. The nutritional composition of banana and plantain stem as a dry matter basis. 1, it has crude protein 3 to 5%. It has fiber 15 to 25%. It has moisture 80 to 90%. Carbohydrate 5 to 10%. Fat and lipids 0.5 to 1%. It has ash 4 to 6%. It has calcium 0.3 to 0.6%. It has phosphorus 0.2 to 0.5%, and it has magnesium 0.1 to 0.4%. It has iron 30 to 50 milligram per kg. It has zinc 10 to 30 milligram per kilo, and it has copper 5 to 10 milligram per kilo. It has sodium 0.10 to 0.05 per kilo. Also, it has vitamin A 50 to 100 IU per kg. So all these are the mineral content. And what is the function of crude protein? Crude protein supports muscle growth and egg production. What of fiber? Fiber aids digestion and gut health. Moisture, hydration, and heat stress reduction in poultry. Carbohydrate provides energy for laying performance. Lipid provides essential for egg and yolk development. Ash contains 5 to 8% of it, which is rich in essential minerals. Then calcium enhances egg shell strength and bone health. Phosphorus improves egg shell formation and metabolism. Potassium regulates metabolism and egg production. Magnesium supports egg shell quality and muscle function. Iron prevents anemia and boosts oxygen transport. Zinc, essentials for enzyme function and immunity. Magnesium helps in eggshell formation and bone development. Copper enhances feather and growth of the egg yolk, while sodium maintains electrolyte balance and hydration. Vitamin C enhances immunity and stress resistance. Vitamin A supports vision and immunity of your poultry birds. Again, the banana stem, vitamin A supports vision, immunity, and reproduction, both in parent stock and every other poultry and livestock animals. So if you are making use of all these banana and plantain stem, they have similar nutritional values. The difference is not much. So they are almost the same. You can use any of them for layers. I know that many farmers are asking, can I use it for my laying birds? Yes, you can use it for your laying birds and any other poultry bird, both turkey, geese, guinea fowl, and other breeds of birds. What are the key benefits of these nutrients in layers? Calcium and phosphorus strengthens egg shell quality and prevents weak eggs. So most especially those farmers that always complain that the egg of their chickens are very porous. Some look like plastic. This is what you use to strengthen their egg. Potassium and magnesium enhances laying performance and metabolism. Iron and zinc improves blood circulation and overall immunity. Magnesium and copper enhances bone formation and feather quality. Vitamin C and vitamin A boost disease resistance and reduces heat stress in laying birds. Remember that heat stress is one of the causes of egg drop in laying birds. So if you are using banana and plantain stems, it means you have already cured your broiler and laying birds from all this. So next thing now is how to prepare fermented banana and plantain stems for layers. How do you prepare it? So let's watch the video till the end. How to prepare fermented banana and plantain stem for layers. First, gather fresh banana and plantain stems. Wash it thoroughly or peel off the outer layers. Then chop it into pieces. After chopping it into pieces, or you use slicing machine if you have the slicing machine. If you don't have the slicing machine, use your kitchen knife or machete. Spray a very big mat on the floor and cut them into smaller particles, very small particles. Then, after cutting all you need for the feed, gather them together and place them inside a bowl, either bucket or into a drum. Then add enough water, clean water. Then add 1 liter of molasses, depending on the quantity of fermented banana and plantain stem you want to ferment, or use our Eco Bio Booster. Add it because it is a probiotic, or brown sugar. Any of these is okay, is good to ferment it to ease fermentation. Then after that, cover the bucket or the plastic drum for at least 7 days. You can still use yeast as an option to speed up fermentation process. After adding all these solutions, either the brown sugar or the yeast or Eco Bio Booster or molasses, any of these is to quicken the fermentation process. After adding them, cover the plastic or the drum or the bucket very well for 7 days. The fermentation process will start taking effect after 4 days. Then before the end of 7th day, the banana and plantain stems must have been fermented properly. Then you drain out the water with a basket, squeeze out the water, or gather all the fermented banana and plantain stem, place them in a very big sack, allow the water to drain off. You can use the water to water your vegetables as an organic manure. Then gather very good quantity of either your commercial feed or grains you cross in your own farm, or the feed you make in your own farm, about 50% of it, and use 50% of the fermented banana and plantain stem. Mix them together and feed your poultry and livestock birds, either broilers, layers, or turkey. Any poultry bird, you will get the massive result. This is how to get it done, and it will serve you very well. Fermented banana and plantain stem is a natural, cost-effective solution for better eggs. By adding fermented banana and plantain stem, your layers feed can increase egg production, reduce feed costs, improve egg shell strength, boost overall birds' health naturally. All these are what you gain by giving this to your laying birds. They will really enjoy it, and you get the massive result and massive egg. Try it today and get the best result. You can see them enjoying their feed right now. It is highly testable. It has a very strong attractant because of the inclusion of all this yeast and the molasses. Here now I'm making selections of the plantain stem I will use Please, during the selection, don't use plantain stems that are bearing fruit. Use the ones that you have already harvested the fruit, or the one that you know, based on their physical look, will not bear any fruit. After gathering them together, take them to your slicing machine, as you see it going on here. This is the slicing process. After slicing them, gather them together and place them in a very big drum. You can see the drum here now. Place them in this drum. Add the molasses, yeast, or sugar, any of these. Mix them properly, or you can still use our Eco Bio Boost. Place it in a mixer. You can use either manual mixer or use mechanical mixer. Anyone that is convenient for you, the ones you have in your farm. Please, you can use a very big bowl and mix them. It must not be industrial mixer. You can use anything to mix it. Once the mixer can turn them together, the main reason for mixing them is to make sure that the molasses, this is the molasses being added. Molasses is a waste from sugar processing companies. Mix them thoroughly. Then after the fermentation process, within 1 week, they will turn in this format like pounded gari or any fufu. Then mix with your commercial feed or grains you grind in your farm and serve to your chickens. Laying birds will lay massive egg, broilers will grow, your broilers will grow big, give you the maximum weight you need within a short period of time. So this fermented banana and plantain stem is good for every poultry breed. Please, it's not for broilers alone. Many farmers are asking, can I use it for my layers? Yes, you can use it for your layers, you can use it for broilers, you can use it for local chickens. It will give them the massive growth within a short period of time. The reason for fermentation process is to add additional nutrients to the product and at the same time help to boost the immune system of your poultry birds. Feeding schedule for maximum egg production. In the morning, mix fermented banana and plantain stem with layer smash. 40% banana stem fermented with 60% commercial feed or the feed you made in your farm. In the evening, that's evening feeding, provide a balanced mix, ensuring calcium and protein rich feed for sustained egg laying. Fresh water supply. Always ensure clean drinking water is available to maintain hydration throughout the period. Though the fermented banana and plantain stem have moisture in it, you still need to provide water for them always. Thank you for watching this video till this stage. If you have reached here, it means you love poultry so much. Share this video to reach more farmers, and if this topic interests you, give it a thumb up, like, comment, and share the video to reach some of your friends, colleagues in the business. And at the same time, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. If you have subscribed, activate the bell notification so that anytime an update is released on this particular topic or any other topic in poultry and livestock farming, you'll be notified by this our wonderful app. For now, till then, I remain blessed. Share this video. Bye for now.